good afternoon, no matter what time it may be in your planet, galaxy, universe, and welcome to the lab. And a jolly nice cup of tea that is. Now, once again, oh, and welcome back, voice. Yes, for the past 2 weeks I've had no or very little voice, and finally it's coming back. Still got a bit of a cough, but yes, been a bit of a pain. I'm sure some people wouldn't complain though, but there we go. Right in front of us, as shown by the title, is another parcel for the Paintbox. It's on its side at the moment, so it doesn't show any addresses that are on the top. This has come from Ash, and because we are having a few issues with the Paintbox, he's provided some kit for some of our systems that should help. Now, this is going to be difficult to open on its side, so I'm just going to cut and I'll be back in a second. Okay, the bugger is open, and I have to report that I have a limited amount of time to do this video because in the process of opening this, I have become damaged. And there is no pink fluffy monk around. She's at work. There's no pink fluffy monk around to patch me up, so I'm about to bleed to death. So better get this done as soon as I can. I forgot to mention that there's allegedly some Arduino stuff in here. Well, something to hook up to the Arduino for some mystery projects. So shall we remove the weapon and find out? No, we shan't. No. Oh, go on then, we'll do it. Right, bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. Save that for later. Which side? Let's start with this one. We have an IDE cable. Yes, you may not realise why I have an IDE cable at the moment, but we do. And then here is a GPS something made in Taiwan. I have could this be the Arduino types? He did mention, oh, it's lively. He did mention this is something for the Arduino for outside. So I think what he's done, not entirely sure. It's a GPS module. So have a look. Yep, little GPS module. Cool, I've seen these on teardowns. I've not seen one in person. All the circuitries inside the cages there. And I think that's the thing he sent to the Arduino. We have to work out how to hook this up. Yes, it's going to be there. But there we go. Thank you very much, Ash. That's going to be a little GPS project for the Arduino. I think that's what we're on about here. So we'll put that very gently over the side, and that really should advance my knowledge because that's some stuff that I've not dealt with before. In fact, I've not dealt with much stuff at all. Because I'm getting these gaming videos done and stuff. So, anyway, yes. To give it away a bit more, in here we have a hard drive, a 80 gig hard drive. Some of you may already be starting to get the idea as to what's going on here. Many of you may not. So we'll keep going. Right. Okie dokie. In here we have this is the special bit, I do believe. By the looks of it. Hope I'm not getting this wrong. Okay. This is yes, that gives it away. Ash has built an FPGA logic analyzer for the Paintbox. Basically what this is, oh, I'm glad he's done like this. It's much simpler than loads of cables everywhere. I'm not sure how it goes on. I ain't confused. But I'm always confused, so that's no change there then. Oh no, these go on the pin. I'm thinking of the bloody... Yes. Right, better start this from the beginning. The Paintbox, as some of you may know, is getting stuck trying to boot. It's trying to look for its hard drives and failing. So, what we need to do is find out what the processor is trying to talk to. Then we can track what is causing it to get stuck when it's looking for hard drives or floppy drives. Anything you plug into it, it can't find. So there's obviously a bug somewhere. So what he's done is built what's called a logic analyzer. And what they do, you plug this onto the back of the CPU board, and then as it sends memory addresses out to try and find whatever it's after, be it some chip or controller, this intercepts those signals. Then we can use this equipment to decode those memory signals. Using that memory location, we can find the device it's talking to. Then use normal techniques to track what is going on, whether that's at fault or whether we can work down the line. Anyway, yes, this will plug on to the motherboard. Using some software, we can find out. Yes, we can find out where the error is coming from, and that's a Cyclone FPGA, in case anybody hasn't seen one of them before. So this is on loan to me. This bit. It's very nice. I spent ages working on it, so thanks very much, Osh. The odd backplate. Unusual. Weird. Okay, what have we got on there? We have... What is this? What be this? Looks like a graphics processor itself, and... oh, Yep, it's a video card. Can you see this on camera? Yes, you can. Hello. Right, so that is a video card. So we've got a video card, a hard drive, an IDE cable. Anybody getting the idea here? This is Paintbox related, by the way. All Paintbox related. And over here, spent a lot of time back in this bugger. Over here, we have one of the main people for the show. Let's have a look. And here we have on board the mother, otherwise known as a motherboard. Okay, so what's this all about? I've forgotten exactly what type of motherboard this is. It's no, I can't find. Oh, do excuse me. Anyway, this is a motherboard. It's from around, I think it's around 2005. And basically the problem we're having, analysing the problem we're having with the Paintbox is we're trying to get the floppy drive to work. Now, for some reason, the drivers that we have to use for the software to analyse the Paintbox and get the stuff off its drives will not work with the server I have. For some reason, and that's the only one with an IDE interface. So it's the motherboard that won't let it talk. So this one has been tested by us with the drivers, and we have a genuine XP on here with it all set up. And what we're going to do, and a graphics card, and we're going to put this into the Dell server. Hopefully it'll all fit. And use this to get the data off the floppy drive, and eventually hopefully the hard drive. So we're going to have some fun rebuilding that. So if you want me to do a video as I rebuild the server, and probably things will go wrong as usual, but we'll try. Then please let me know in the comments, and I shall do such a video for you. It's a bit strange one, different, but I shall do one. Oh, excuse me. Lovely. Anyway, yes, so that's it. We got new motherboard, hard drive, and video card for the Paintbox analysis project. Oh God, it stinks. Sorry, look, this is not smell-o-vision, isn't it? We've got the logic analyzer for the Paintbox to try and find out where this fault's coming from. IDE cable, box plate. Oh, and a phone. I'll be right back. Damn you, PPIs! Damn you! Interrupting me there. Right, yes, okay. So, yes, we have all of these, and the GPS receiver for the Arduino project. So that should be very interesting. I think we've got to find or build a little, how does this work now? Little interface for there. So, I'm sure Ash will be informing me of how to do that. So, thank you very much once again, Ash, saviour here. Without him, I think this Paintbox would be sitting here very very dead. And one day we are going to pay him back for all the work he's done. He's as fanatic about it as me, if not even more fanatical about it. But there we go. So, hopefully we should make big strides with the Paintbox using all of this. So, thank you very much, and especially Ashi. Thank you very much. Oh, and leave comments down there if you want to see me build this. Thank you very much.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.